4th grade at Settlers Point, and I'm the student teacher for my room for the semester. And about a couple days after I got into the classroom, I realized that my hands were always covered with the whiteboard marker erasers. So I went to Target and I found mittens that don't have fingers on them, so that I can put them straight on my hands and I can still hold the whiteboard markers, I can still write with them, but as soon as I'm done, I can erase it. And I don't have to go looking for the eraser, I don't have to go looking for my rags, and it's always right here. I keep them hung on the board so that they're always within reach, and I haven't had a dirty sleeve since.